What's up everybody? Welcome to the vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe because the vlogs are gonna be so peaceful and nice from here. First off, it's been so long since the mornings have been this beautiful. If you haven't checked out my previous vlog, then make sure you do. It's the journey to this beautiful place. If you haven't probably already got it, I'm in Gokarna. This property is called Viras Valley. It's a beautiful property, very cheap, affordable and beautiful. I'm an early bird, so I went watching this place early in the morning. Check it out. So this place is our room and the view is absolutely beautiful, and I love the fact that we can keep our bikes right in front of our room. एक बहुत secured and chilled out feeling होता है. Otherwise you're always constantly worried about where the bike is and how it's doing or who is touching it or whatever. The only thing you probably have to be careful while coming to Gokarna is selecting a beautiful property. The photos on Google are generally very deceiving, but this property just opened up in January 2020, so it's beautiful and it's exactly what they showed. By the way, this place is still under construction, so probably we are one of the first people to come here. Either ways, since I woke up early in the morning, I thought might as well just get some work done. So I got some work done and I felt very hungry. So while the boys were sleeping, I ordered some masala dosa and some tea, chai or dosa ka ke mast kaam kiya. I picked up such a bad habit of being unhealthy all throughout this lockdown that in September I started like a calorie deficit diet. Per this trip mein no calorie deficit, only calorie surplus. That's why I'm gonna have my second breakfast. So this is the dining area. Lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything happens over here. You guys can order your food right there. They're gonna give you everything. And we spoke to the owner. He said that this is going to be a badminton court and somewhere over there it's going to be a swimming pool. So probably the next time you guys come here, it's going to be more prettier, more beautiful. Which means, Viras Valley owner, I'm going to send you an invoice. Please send me a check. Free promotion. Nahi hota hai. Every time I bring back Samaya from the service center, I make sure I add this Polytron engine additive. It goes with the engine oil. The benefits are so many. You can already read it from the bottle. I'll put a screenshot up. But in this hurry of a ride, I couldn't do it. So let's put this now and then let's head out. The plan right now is to visit two places. We're going to a fort and then a beautiful sunset to end the day with. I actually don't want to go to the fort because I don't have a drone. So make sure you guys subscribe so I can buy a drone. Other than that, I'm going there because it's on the way apparently. So let's visit both these places. Have a good chill evening. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Let's go. Yep.
12 seconds later.
They actually don't deserve help because what they're doing is absolutely wrong. They are overloading a pickup truck and taking huge cement blocks to cut cost. But I held them on the hindsight only because people in Gokarna are very good. You can always at any point of time ask them help or ask them favors. Yesterday I think at 12 or 1 o'clock at night we asked one guy for a small favor and it was done. So the people here are pretty chilled out and nice. They won't bother you or cause any troubles. So I thought let's give back something to Gokarna. I'm also not very keen about going to the fort is because the landscapes in Gokarna look very pretty. So the sunset point, it's at a higher altitude, so I just want to go there and look at a beautiful sunset, the landscapes, and all the mountains are going to look beautiful from there. So I'm not really keen about going to the fort, but my boys are like, it's on the way, let's do that now that we are here. That also makes sense. $124 maxed out. 124 kilometers per hour, and it starts maxing out. It feels so good to ride on this road because it's so well constructed and well maintained. Not one pothole. I don't see a lot of animals crossing by. It's pretty much fun to ride here, and also I'm not sure if you guys can see the mountain. Looks so beautiful, such a treat to the eye. The only bad part is I feel so bad for not wearing full sleeve क्योंकि ये मेरी कोमल हाथ है अब काले पड़ जाएंगे. Leaving our helmets right opposite to the shop in the fort. People are trustworthy here. Chalo. The entire fort is greened out because of the rainy season and the grass growth or algae. I don't know what exactly do you call it, but it looks beautiful. I've never seen a fort look like this before. So the name of this fort is Mirjan Fort, and there really isn't a payment or a fee or an entry fee. So let's go and explore. According to the first historical version, Queen Chennabhairavi Devi was initially credited with building the Mirjan Fort in the 16th century. She ruled for 54 years. History सिर्फ स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ी जाती है, Wikipedia पे भी पढ़ाई जाती है. This fort is also not very well maintained because you don't actually pay an entry fee, which is kind of sad. Either close it or keep it well maintained. Heading out of this place right now because I can't do any more of forts. Let's go, boys. Honestly, it's kind of hard to vlog while there are a lot of people because somebody will ask, are you a YouTuber? And I'll have to say yes. Then they'll ask you how many subscribers. Like 4,500. So 5,000 banao. It's more easier to say, yo, chati tok ke bolenge YouTuber hai hum. मैं YouTuber हूँ. मैं YouTuber हूँ. Not just here, no matter where we go, higher and higher, you clearly feel the temperature drop and the air has become thin and it's already feeling cold and nice now. Although the sun is super bright, the weather seems cold and perfect. Wow, look at this. Wow. Wow. I love it. I love it. Uh-oh. Go a little right and then take a gear down. Boom. Nice. Beautiful. This place or the Parvata is about 60 kilometers from Gokarna. So plan your day well in advance because this isn't something you want to miss. I'm sure about that. And also don't ride too fast in this ascent or this road towards this Parvata because I see a lot of cattle and a lot of calves. I'm planning to start this 5-second thing on the vlog. Whenever I see a beautiful view, I'm just going to give you 5 seconds to watch it. 5, 4. And this beautiful peak happens to be Uttara Karnataka's highest. Now that we have come so far and this beautiful view is there, we thought let's just go to the temple and that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe. 5k subs happening soon. What a beautiful sunset at Gokarna. I love you guys. Peace.